this video I want to show you how to convert a bitmap image to a vector image. You cannot apply changes to a bitmap image unlike a vector image. Okay, how do we do this? Basically, you can go to trace bitmap. You have noticed that something has happened to that image. This is your vector image which has been converted. Okay, in this vector image here, you can ungroup it. You can ungroup it, delete some part that you don't want. This is the background. Then you can make some changes to it, change the color. But I want to show you another approach of doing this. You select the image, outline, logo. Okay, here you can see the window that has appeared. Here you can make a whole lot of changes to this image. Details, smoothing, corner smoothness. In details, the details will help you to hide some parts of the image or bring out some part of the image. Smoothing will allow you to get your image smooth. Corner smoothness, some corners of the picture. Check very well. You notice some changes. Okay, it allows you to smooth the edges of your image. Do you want to delete the original image, which is the bitmap? If yes, you activate this. If no, you deactivate it. Okay, after that you can come here, make some changes to the color. This is red. See any part that is red? This is brown. Okay, here you can change this, the color of this image here. Come to edit and choose a color, and it is changed. But we don't want that for now. You can undo it. Come here and undo it, your action. Thereafter click OK, and you can bring your image down here. You can ungroup it and delete some parts that you don't want. If you notice the edges of this our image, the smoothness is not perfect. That means while we were adjusting the image, we did not use the right smoothness. So you have to be always very careful while you are making some changes on the pan, so you have a perfect result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.